In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the GitHub link of your profile in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to share your work with potential employers, collaborate with teams, or simply showcase your projects, having a direct link to your GitHub profile is essential. Let's walk through the steps together, ensuring you can access and share your profile with ease. First off, we need to head over to the official GitHub website. Open your preferred web browser and type in github.com in the address bar, or simply click the link if it's available in your current workspace or guide. As one of the most popular platforms for version control and collaboration, GitHub is where thousands of developers and creative minds share and collaborate on projects. Next, you're going to sign in. If you already have a GitHub account, click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your username and password, then press enter or click on the sign in button again. For those who are new to GitHub, you'll need to create an account first by clicking on the sign up option and following the prompts. However, for this tutorial, we're assuming you've already got an account. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to your GitHub dashboard. This is the hub of all your activity on GitHub, where you can access your repositories, view your notifications, and much more. From the dashboard, locate the small profile icon or your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select your profile. Now that you're on your profile page, you'll see all the repositories you've been working on, your contributions, and any personal information you've chosen to share. But most importantly for today's purpose, you'll notice that the URL in your browser's address bar has changed to reflect your unique profile link. This URL is your GitHub profile link, which is what you'll be sharing with others. The final step is to copy the URL from your browser's address bar. Simply click on the URL to highlight it, then right-click your mouse and select Copy, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. This URL can now be pasted into emails, resumes, or any place where you need to share your GitHub profile. And there you have it, you've successfully obtained the link to your GitHub profile. With this link, you can easily share your work and connect with others in the tech community. Remember, your GitHub profile is a reflection of your skills and projects, so updating it regularly can help keep your work vibrant and appealing. Thank you for tuning in and happy coding.